We're all beautiful, so that's all you need to know.
Perfect. It's sunny, right?
It's sunny and it's California. So guys, Chris is actually one of our companies who's based in Michigan right now and is calling in, and it's a little late for him, so I'm glad that we got the internet to work to get him in. Chris is with Evermed, another one of our companies who's in the healthcare space, and I'll let Chris take it away. And Chris, go ahead, and then I'll answer or help you with questions when you're done.
Excellent. Thanks, guys. I'm glad that I was able to make it remotely here today. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick screen share with you so you can see our info. And as Kyle said, we're Evermed. It's a collection of providers that are focused on solving problems in the healthcare space, and it includes a team of doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and technicians. So the big problem in healthcare right now is interacting with that patient record. How do you input data in an efficient manner, and then how do you extract that data? So the current system requires you to take anywhere between 45 seconds and a minute and a half to just access record. Then you have to generate the records, orders, or notes. Our solution is a core tool that's based on a web model, along with peripheral tools to augment that. So a rounding tool based on Google Glass for providers that allows them to do results review. So you get your patient's information right at the point of care, and then you can modify that care at the bedside as well, like placing new orders on your patient or creating dictation. We also have a CPR tool and customized protocols and checklists for Google Glass and other wearable technologies. Now, our core tool is a browser-based platform that allows providers and patients to co-manage health problems that face individuals such as congestive heart failure or diabetes, thereby engaging in larger patient interaction and hopefully higher compliance. Now, we utilize wearable technology a lot in our platform. We're working on interfaces for Scanadu, Mayo, Angel, and Basis to help augment the health record with patient-supplied information, such as vital signs or heart rates, O2 levels as well. Some of the advantages of this system includes a UI that's optimized to input data into the healthcare record very quickly. Typically, tasks can be completed on our system anywhere from 60 to 90% faster than traditional platforms. So if you're going to put an order in on a patient or a note, you save yourself an immense amount of time. Also, we've structured our product to be available to consumers at costs of just 20% of what the current recommended OMB purchase price is for Veterans Administration EMR implementations. So significantly lower than the traditional market. Our CPR tool is a unique product for Google Glass. It uses the accelerometer and gyroscope to help track compressions from the user to a patient. And then it also provides elapsed time so that you're able to make the appropriate checks on that patient for pulse and to give medications if needed. So obviously there's a huge market for the healthcare industry. Over 7 billion healthcare consumers in the world. In the US alone, there's more than 1 million physicians and over 13,000 hospitals. Now the Evermed platform is built on internationally recognized medical ontologies for coding, such as SNOMED, which allow our product to be used in other portions of the world, such as Europe, Asia, and anywhere else that you would deploy a healthcare system. Some competitors in this field already include hardware-specific platforms such as Pristine or Augmetics and Remedy, and then also the entrenched vendors of traditional EMR platforms such as Cerner and Epic. So our roadmap for the rest of 2014, we have beta sites going at a vascular surgeon's office, also a primary care facility, and then we have an ER rollout scheduled for the fourth quarter, along with the disaster response and demo testing in the third quarter of this year. We also have a current project going with the CPR tool for NASA to build a customized protocol for use on ISS and in low gravity environments that's scheduled for some testing here in July of 2014. We have an integrated demo coming up at Central Michigan University in their physician learning lab here in Michigan to evaluate and implement the Evermed modules in an educational setting. And then we have an event coming up at the Brickyard 400 with Indiana University's trauma faculty later here in July. Our business model has three legs to it, really: the patients, the providers, and the institutions. So patients use our platform on a freemium basis. Providers purchase access and institutions license from us. Projections for 2014 include $250,000 in sales for implementation in university settings, with rapid expansion in 2015 into primary care offices, multi-bed facilities, and other university settings. Our team is composed of several healthcare players. Currently, a primary care physician holds our CEO role, Dr. Jim Ryan. And Kevin Perdue is a health information security expert. And my name, once again, is Chris Vukin. I explore different healthcare concepts in development for the clinical setting. We're currently raising $1.5 million to increase our product development, expand our team, and focus on marketing the product. So I appreciate your time today, folks. If there's any questions that I can answer, I'm more than happy to at this time.
All right, guys, quick round of applause for Chris. I think we still have him here. Do we have one or two questions that for Chris, since we've got him video-wise? Any questions? All right. One more round of applause for Chris for joining us on the internet today.